how to remove Instagram likes at once. So let's begin. First, you need to open your Instagram app and then log into your account. After that, you need to click on the three lines you see at the top right corner. Then from here, you need to click on your activity. Then you need to click on likes. Here you can clearly see all the posts you've previously liked, and if you want to individually unlike any particular post, you can certainly do so. You can simply open that specific post, whether it's a video or a reel, and from there you can proceed to unlike it. But if you want to unlike all these accumulated likes at once, here's exactly what you need to do. You need to click on this select option. Then from here, you need to select all the videos you want. After selecting, you will click on unlike. And when you click unlike here, all those videos or posts that you have liked will be unliked at once. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon.